Hello, future doctors, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving in some challenging and MCQ MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So, the first MCQ is Dash last states that the magnitude of the force between 2 points charges is directly proportional to the product of the magnitudes of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. A. Ohm's law. B. Gauss law. C. Coulomb's law. D. Lenz law. So the correct option is C. Coulomb's law. The next MCQ is a ball thrown vertically upwards will have constant dash and a varying dash. A. Velocity and acceleration. B. Kinetic energy and velocity. C. Acceleration and velocity. And D. Kinetic energy and acceleration. So the correct option is C. Acceleration and velocity. The next MCQ is a boy raises an object of mass 10 kg vertically above his head through a height of 5 meters. The potential energy stored in the body is A. 49 joule, B. 48 joule, 98 joule, C. 490 joule, and D. 980 joule. So the correct option is C. 490 joule. The next MCQ is a magnet is suspended from a spring and it oscillates in and out of a coil placed vertically below it. A galvanometer is connected to the coil and it shows A. No deflection, B. No deflection on one side only, C. Deflection to the left and right with constant amplitude, and D. Deflection to the left and right with decreasing amplitude. So the correct option is C. Deflection to the left and right with constant magnitude. The next MCQ is a man standing in an elevator at the third floor of a building. What is the primary factor that determines the main kinetic energy? A. His height above the ground. B. His mass. C. Elevator speed. And D. Elevator direction of movement. So the correct option is C. Elevator speed. The next MCQ is a resistor has a resistance of 200 ohms. If a current of 0.5 amperes flow through it, what is the voltage drop across the resistor? A. 400 volts, B. 110 volts, C. 120 volts, and D. 0.002 volts. So the correct option is B. 110 volts. The next MCQ is a three-dimensional image. Remarkable quality can be achieved by a modern version of microscope called A. Compound microscope, B. Simple microscope, C. Transmission electron microscope, and D. Scanning electron microscope. So the correct option is D. Scanning electron microscope. The next MCQ is a train travel on a straight track passing signal a at 20 meters second. It accelerates uniformly at 2 meters second square and reach signal B 100 meter further than A. At B, the velocity of the train in meter per second is A 10, B 20, C 28, and D 56. So the correct option is B 20. The next MCQ is a wave characterized by three physical parameters: A. Amplitude, wavelength, and acceleration; B. Frequency, wavelength, and acceleration; C. Wavelength, frequency, and speed of wave; and D. Displacement, wavelength, and speed of wave. So the correct option is C. Wavelength, frequency, and speed of wave. The next MCQ is accelerating electromagnetic charges radiate electromagnetic waves which propagates at the A. Speed of electromagnetic waves, B. Frequency of light, C. Speed of light, and D. Frequency of electromagnetic wave. So the correct option is C. Speed of light. The next MCQ is K alpha rays are generated when transition of an electron occur from A. K to M shell, B. K to M shell, C. L to M shell, C. L to K shell, and D. M to K shell, M to L shell. So the correct option is C. alkyl. The next MCQ is the decay constant of sodium is 0.0000128 second. The half-life of sodium is A 15 hours, B 5 hours, C 900 seconds, and D 3600 seconds. So the correct option is A 15 hours. The next MCQ is at the end of 14 minutes, 1 over 16 of a sample of radioactive polonium remains. The corresponding half-life is A bracket 1 over 7 minute, B 8 over 7 minutes, C 7 over 7 minutes, and D 7 over 2 minutes. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is according to Bohr's a model of the hydrogen atom, electrons move in specific orbit around the nucleus car A quanta, B shells, C clouds, and D wavelengths. So the correct option is B shells. The next MCQ is according to first law of thermodynamics, what is the relation between the change in the internal energy of a closed system, delta Q, the heat added to the system, and the work done by the system? A. Delta U equal to Q plus W. B. Delta Q U equal to Q minus W. C. Delta U equal to Q multiply W. And D. Delta Q equal to del Q over W. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is angular displacement is measured in A degrees, B revolutions, C radians, and D all of these. So the correct option is D all of these. The next MCQ is centrifugal force A equal to A mv squared mv square over R, B m square V over R. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is circular periodic waves can be generated A in a ripple tank using spherical diapers, B using electromagnetic vibrator, C by giving sudden up and down movement to the rope with one fixed end, and D all of the above. So the correct option is A in a ripple tank using spherical diapers. The next MCQ is if a moving object has no force acting on it, A. It will decrease and eventually stop. B. Continue to move in a straight line at constant velocity. C. It will stop immediately. D. Its velocity will increase while moving in a straight line. So the correct option is B. Continue to move in a straight line at constant velocity. The next MCQ is if the acceleration of a body in one inertial frame is zero, its acceleration in any other internal frames is A increase, B also zero, C decrease, and D increase and then decrease. So the correct option is B also zero. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying as tutor for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.